Hello everyone and welcome to the English Shadowing Practice Podcast. I'm Anna and today I want you to listen carefully, repeat slowly and feel every word, because this story is about timing, choices, and how sometimes life surprises us in the most unexpected ways. Today's story is called The Train That Never Waited. It all began on a cold morning at the city train station. The air was quiet except for the sound of people rushing, luggage rolling, and a whistle echoing in the distance. A young woman named Maya stood on the platform, holding her coffee in one hand and her dreams in the other. She was on her way to an interview, the most important one of her life. If she got the job, everything would change. A new city, a new life, a new beginning. But that morning nothing went as planned. Her alarm didn't ring. The taxi came late. And now as she reached the platform, the train doors were already closing. She ran as fast as she could. "Wait, please wait," she shouted. But the train didn't wait. It never did. She stopped breathing hard, watching it disappear down the track. Her coffee spilled, her heart sank. It felt like all her dreams had just left with that train. Maya sat on a bench feeling hopeless. But then she noticed something strange. A man sitting beside her smiled gently. "You missed it too?" he asked. She nodded quietly. He laughed softly. "Maybe it wasn't our train," he said. They started talking. At first just small things. The weather, the delay, how mornings never go as planned. But soon their conversation turned deeper. He was a photographer traveling to a nearby town to capture the sunrise over the river. He told her sometimes the wrong turn leads you to the right place. She smiled, not sure she believed it. But something about his calm voice made her feel lighter. When the next train arrived, they sat together. They talked all the way. About dreams, mistakes, fears, and new beginnings. By the time they reached their stop, Maya realized something. Missing the first train wasn't the end. It was the start of something new. The job interview? She still made it just a little later. And she got the job. But what she remembered most wasn't the interview. It was that conversation on the bench. The smile of a stranger. The reminder that sometimes life makes us miss a train, so we can catch the right one. So, if you ever feel like you've missed your chance, remember this story. Maybe the train that never waited was never meant to be yours, because the one that's truly meant for you will always arrive right on time. Thank you for listening. I'm Anna and this was The Train That Never Waited. Until next time, keep believing in your own journey and keep practicing English one story at a time.